Hello everyone, I'm Nanni and welcome to my channel. Which is my channel? Yes. The most part of you who are watching my videos are not subscribed, and it costs nothing, it doesn't hurt, FBI doesn't follow you, so you can subscribe, no collateral effects. Today, trouble, because we have to put inside this little space a lot of electronic stuff, and I don't want to fill it up completely. Only the battery that is this big has to go here inside, and I would like it stays like this. All the other things I would like to place here at the side of the engine. And to do this, I have to reduce everything. First of all, cables, then connectors, then cases. I show you view. This is what I am doing. These are reduced connectors. This is the case of the receiver, that it is in this way. This is a mess that I have done. I have destroyed the speaker trying to reduce the dimension of the case, so I have ordered a new one. Here it is. And I discovered that I can't take out, this is a magnet. Okay, I can't take out just the speaker, I need a support, but this support has these parts that I can cut, so the dimension will be reduced. It's the switch, I have eliminated the switch. I've soldered together the two cables here. This one, this is for the battery, and for the LED circuit I have made this. Why it is so? This is wax, but I've seen some guys on internet that thought, oh, well, you want to waterproof your receiver, use wax. That's a good idea. If you have natural wax, old wax. This is the IKEA wax. It is very chemical. It's very dry. It breaks. It doesn't stay, you see, look, tack, tack. It's not good. I will take it away and put silicone. I want waterproofed. I have eliminated this plug, this one, and I want to eliminate also this and this. Shortening the cables, and at the end this will stay over this. So all the space will be this one. This I maintain. This is the plug for the steering servo. And this is the engine. The engine, it's quite big, this plug. I don't know if connect directly, or I don't have a female plug for this. So I have to change and return to this kind. So there's a lot of work to do. Comment, like and subscribe, please. And also you that are not subscribed, please subscribe. I was saying there's a lot of work to do, and it could be quite boring, because this is not a known path. It is an unknown path. So I have to make several trials. I have to throw away something to go on my path and return back and return on. So it could be quite boring. So I will do some slideshow in order not to bore too much you, and some time lapse. Start work. Okay, before cutting, welding and so on, we must have a check if everything works. So we reconnect everything. This time we check also the engine. Battery, no more switch, it connects directly with plugging this into this. Blue light, radio is on, and first we try with light, they work, and then the speaker, it works. Wheels. Look at how much slow they can go. Stop lights work. It's not very fast. The sound is perfect. Okay, and now the work. Enjoy the slideshow, comment, like and subscribe. Here we are. The work is quite finished. I show you what I have made. This is the car. In the slideshow perhaps you have seen that I have made a lot of modification. These are all the parts that I have eliminated, except for this that I have modified into this shape, because I made an experiment. All these switch, case, connectors, cables, all these connectors I have eliminated in order to obtain this. I'm quite satisfied about this. Here is the wiring for the rear light, and here for the front lights. This is the receiver, and these are the cables that I have put it into a shrinking tube. This is for the battery, two separated wires, and not this so big connector. I'm very happy about the result, because all the electronics are really installed well. But there's a problem. I don't know if this is an Orlandoo battery, right? Orlandoo. So I think it was studied for this kind of models. But it is a little bit big. So it's quite difficult to... I wanted to place it here inside in this way. Here in this way. But there's the receiver. Perhaps putting the receiver down and over the battery, but I don't like to put battery over receiver. So when I have to use the battery, I have to put here inside by this way, and wires under, obviously, and it remains like the head of the pilots. It's not so disturbing, but it's not what I wanted. Now I have to mount these panels with all these screws. Then after the panel, the work is finished. Yes, it's finished. Let's mount this. The work is done. The car is finished. Here it is. This is one of the best RC car I have ever made, because it's really complicated, also for the very tiny dimensions, and it has everything you need: lights, flashing lights, stop lights when you release the throttle, stop. Suspension, I have added a little bit of grease so they are not too much bouncy. Soft tires, differentials, transfer case, divorce case, reducer, motor, accelerator, sound. What else? What do you want more? Steering servo, all proportional, obviously. I am amazed. This has been one of the toughest, most difficult work that I have ever done. But I'm so happy, I'm so satisfied. Even if the battery stays here inside, you can see it, but it seems quite just like something that has to be inside the cockpit, the head of the pilot, other stuff. No matter, it's so useful to put it here. I am very satisfied for the work I have done. reducing all the cables, all the electronics dimensions. And now what do we have to do? We have to find a trial, a course to check how does it works. I have already checked, and I can tell you it's fantastic. It's not very fast. I hope that a little bit faster, but it has a lot of torque and there are no obstacles that can stop, even if it is so little. Obviously when it touch here and there's no way, but in vertical goes up to vertical. Fantastic, fantastic. If you want to have a challenge, buy one of these. Less than 200 euros. That is $180, $190, and you will have a lot of fun. All the money you use are very well used. Fantastic. Next video, outdoor, we can see. So what else? What I have to say you? Please comment, please smash like button if you like, please subscribe and smash the bell too, because it's very important. You can lose some of my wonderful, really wonderful videos. Bye bye, ciao a tutti!